Hi all, thanks for joining this Marketing Cloud demo session. My name is Harshit and I'll be your instructor on Salesforce Marketing Cloud. I have 6 years of experience on Marketing Cloud and have worked in different roles. Like I have worked in support roles in Marketing Cloud, then in development roles as well. Later on, I became a consultant and then I'm working as a technical lead now. So I have a vast experience on this technology. And here we are, gathered to understand why there is need of such technology. What is Marketing Cloud? How you can see your career in Marketing Cloud? What all modules and things you will get out of this, training, and whatever questions you have, we will try to discuss and we'll try to find out the answer. So thanks again for joining. This demo would be only, you know, focused on a brief about Marketing Cloud, nothing about technical details, no deep dive into this platform. Everything is designed in our training curriculum just to discuss or start a discussion about this platform between you and me. This demo is arranged. So if you have any questions, we will discuss after the demo. So guys, you have gathered here to understand Salesforce Marketing Cloud and you are very familiar with the word marketing in it. And you must be wondering what kind of marketing this provides. Marketing is very common term to me, to you, to everybody. And from our childhood days, we have seen businesses marketing. Earlier, there were no digital devices. In our childhood days, we saw banners, posters, pamphlets, radio ads, television ads as the previous old way of marketing. But now we have digital devices, internet connectivity, and a lot of devices are connected to internet. IoT is there. So we see the ways of marketing has changed. Now you can easily run an ad on Google. You can run ad on Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms to showcase your products and services, and you can do easily marketing. So as the way of marketing has changed from old way of marketing to digital marketing, there are certain challenges also. Earlier, every business had to work in its own space. When there was a business near your locality, whether it is a shop or anything, it had own set of audience and a limited set of audience. But when the same business went online, the hunger to sell more also increased. Now online, they understand that they have millions and billions of people to sell their products and services. And with that mission to sell their products and services to million and billion people, they adopt the ways of digital marketing. But digital marketing, it seems easy to do. It's very expensive. Just to show your advertisement to 1,000, 2,000 people, you have to spend a lot of money. And if you want to reach to billions of people, you really have to be a giant so that you are able to clearly, showcase your product services agenda to mass audience. Now, suppose you gathered money, some startup gathered money to do digital marketing, and they tried to pour in a handsome amount of money to reach to a lot of people. People showed interest as well. Suppose a small e-commerce website they have built, and they are trying to run an ad on that e-commerce website. They got some interest. Interest means people have started to visit that website, but they notice that not everybody is buying their product. The ROAS is very low. Return on ad spent is very low. They suppose spent 50K and got around 1 lakh traffic on their website, but every day they see that hardly 1 or 2 products are getting sold. At the end of the month, their marketing spend was 50,000, but return on ad spend was less than 50,000, or any figure around 50 to 70,000 is very less. So digital marketing enables you to promote your products and services to broader audience. But just promoting your products and services will make you sell products and services. It is not guaranteed by digital marketing. Then what is the solution? Companies will definitely do digital marketing, run Google ads, Facebook ads, and a lot of things. But they also have to understand that in one day, they cannot achieve their ambition. Once they get a potential customer who is a potential customer, not already a customer, who is an opportunity for him, for that business, they have to enable a strong nurture process. That nurture process should be in such a way that you are able to provide the relevant information about a customer. Suppose there is a website called Amazon, which is very familiar to everybody. You are a man, somebody is a woman. Both goes to Amazon and explore different products and services. Amazon has millions of listings. Now the next day, when they are surfing their mobile, they both will receive emails from Amazon. But the email and the content of male would be entirely different from the female. Also, the email would reflect what all keywords or what all searches you have made as a person on Amazon, and the other person would be able to see his or her own relevant search content. Amazon is not promoting any product. They have millions of products. Amazon is trying to refine its search criteria, understanding your data. Means what all things you have searched, what all behaviors you have shown, what all activities you have performed, what all products or services you have seen. Based on that, you are getting a product recommendation email next day. Your recommendation email is entirely different from mine because our search histories are different. So why I gave you this example is we are understanding about a strong lead nurture process, which is data driven in nature. So next day, Amazon understood that whenever you went the first time on that platform, you didn't purchase anything. But what Amazon kept your data. Now Amazon has to increase its return on spend. They have started to nurture you. They have tried to promote the relevant products and services based on your behaviors on Amazon. And they will continue to do. They will send few emails and then they will send a push notification on a relevant category of product, 20% off for next 5 hours. There will be a clock embedded in your push notification, which is also a nurture process, which is also making you aware that the same product you showed interest 2 days before is now at discounted price for some time. That is also the activity which Amazon does. Then again, if that didn't help, then they will send SMS that only for 5 hours you can utilize this coupon, 35% off Prime Day delivery. They have enabled the third channel, that is SMS, but the concept remains same. They understood your data, they understood what are your requirements from them, and they have tried to establish a nurture process which is data driven, reflecting whatever you have seen, giving offers, discounts and promotions on the same categories of product. So now next time, if you really need that product, you will see that, okay, 35% coupon I already have in my SMS. Why to consider at all the other website? Let's go back to Amazon and purchase that. So this is a 3, 4, 5, 10 days effort of lead nurturing process, which Amazon has set with the principles of data-driven marketing, which has helped to convert a purchase. So digital marketing would only help to sell your products and services. Selling is not easy at all. If it would have been easy, every would have been millionaires. It takes really hard effort to sell products and services. And that is what data-driven marketing tells you. So nowadays, we have data-driven, we have digital marketing at very familiar level, but companies are also adopting to data-driven marketing because this is the future. You understand the data. If you are already an engineer or related to sales, related to computers background, software industry, you already know what a data is. Everybody is taking decisions on data. Nobody is going on their own thoughts. Whether it is a tough decision, good decision, or bad decision, they understand the patterns of data statistics, and then a decision is made. So the same concept is now applicable to marketing. Whenever they have to promote products and services, they have to understand their customer better. And to understand their customer better, they have to understand their behaviors, their data they have generated on the platforms. This is known as data-driven marketing, which is the core capability of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And once Amazon understood your data, nobody is sending you those push notifications, emails manually. Those are the systems built which sense the opportunity and then trigger a communication automatically, which is nothing but marketing automation. So data-driven marketing automation is the future of marketing, which is provided by Salesforce Marketing Cloud, which is a very powerful platform, very famous platform, very aggressively built platform by Salesforce. And already it has taken a boom. I am the part of that pilot team, which took this platform as a support person from 2017, the first batch of Salesforce Marketing Cloud to be trained by Salesforce. And now it's after 6 years, around 6 years, I see how aggressively this platform has grown. And it has tremendous opportunity because data is future, data is everywhere, marketing needs data. That is why there is a need of data-driven marketing, and that is why there is the need of this platform. So understanding Salesforce Marketing Cloud will help you become a marketing automation consultant, which is a very fulfilling role. If you do not want to become a marketing automation consultant or manager, you can still work for clients in a lot of different roles, like a technical lead, Salesforce automation consultant. If you already have a knowledge on Salesforce Sales Service Cloud, it would be integrated to Sales and Service Cloud. You will have a complete CRM ecosystem. If you already have Sales and Service Cloud knowledge, then to become a complete CRM consultant, you require marketing capabilities, because CRM is Sales, Service, Marketing, Commerce. So to become a complete domain consultant, you have to understand the knowledge around this platform. So guys, that was all about Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And I am open to understand what all questions you have. By the way, you will be getting free platform for next 3 months, free of cost, provided by Institute, which is very expensive to get and very difficult to get if you are not already working for a partner company. So that is an add-on advantage you will get with this training. So guys, let me know if you have any questions around Salesforce, and let me know if I can answer anything. Guys, are you able to understand? I see many people joined later. Were you able to understand what is Salesforce Marketing Cloud? What all what I have told in demo? Are you able to clearly understand, or should I repeat it again? Hello. So guys, Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a data-driven marketing automation platform. As we understood that data is key for everything. Whatever decisions we make, we have to make on data. If you are any e-commerce company or any company which has online business, if not, then tomorrow also you will have that online business. If you are any company which has online business, then you have to work on data about the customer. Data is everything to a company, whether it is making whether it helps you to take decisions or it helps to do a marketing. Data is everywhere. So how big companies leverage data? Suppose you already have application like Swiggy, Zomato, Ola, Uber in your mobile phone. These companies are adopting very innovative way of marketing. What they are doing, they are sending you push notifications. Their in-app is customized based on your behaviors. Suppose you have Zomato app, you have a tendency to order food every time, like every day or every alternate day you order a food. Suppose you skipped ordering food for 2-3 days. You have a habit to order a food at 5 p.m. every day or alternate days, but you skipped for 2-3 days. Zomato system understands that this is the time you often order a food of this cuisine, and it's been 2-3 days you haven't ordered. What they will do, they will immediately trigger a push notification, very creative push notification, to insist you to come back to their platform. If you like Chinese cuisine or North Indian or whatever cuisine you like, whenever you go and app, the relevant cuisine are promoted on their app. There are thousands of restaurants nearby your city which are updated on Zomato, but not everybody is able to get the relevant ranking. Ranking only depends on the data they have saved about the customer. Zomato is an application which you surf, which you often order food. They will predict your behaviors there. What all behaviors they will predict? What is the preferred time you order most of the time, whether it is evening, morning, what is the cuisine you order, how many times you have ordered this dish, how many times you have ordered that dish. So these all are the attributes which which Zomato tries to predict about a customer based on the data about that customer. Next time, if they find opportunity, they will promote the relevant restaurant, a relevant cuisine, a relevant time. You have to reach your customer at right time, at right moment, with right product. This can only be achieved if you understand the data about the customer. On Amazon, millions and billions of products are listed, but you are not getting everything promoted. Whatever product is relevant to your behavior you show on Amazon is only promoted. Today you went and searched for a Levi's jeans of black color. Somehow you didn't find that jeans. But the next day you will receive an email which will give you around 10-15 recommended jeans of black color of related, you know, uh, of re, of relay of the similar price range which you were expecting. A lot of things are achieved using Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud has channels like push notification. Marketing Cloud has channel like SMS. Marketing Cloud has channel like Email Studio. These channels seems to be easy. Email, SMS, push notification seems to be easy, but you have to make optimum utilization. You have to reach the customer using these channels at right time and promote the right product. So how to make efficient utilization of email, SMS, push notification to promote relevant product and content to a customer will help you sell more. It is not easy to sell. Marketing you can do, but are all customers buying the product? No. You have to establish a strong lead nurture process which will help your customers buy product. You have to reach them via email, SMS, and just you don't have to provide a normal content to them. You have to provide the content relevant to their interest. Now, how you will predict interest? You will predict interest of a customer understanding their behaviors on your platform. So Marketing Cloud is all about data-driven dynamic marketing, where you understand the data about the customer and then promote the relevant product. Suppose you have a bank account and I also have the same bank account. You go and withdraw some money, I also go and withdraw some money. But what is the difference? The difference is you will get SMS, I will also get SMS. The SMS will have your account number, your money withdrawn, your updated balance, and I will have mine. But the SMS format is same. Whosoever goes and withdraws his money, he will get his own data. The SMS is same, channel is same, but data is changing dynamically person to person. How this is achieved? What is the architecture behind achieving this dynamic content, where 3 people requested for their bank balance, every 3 people received a similar kind of SMS from the same number, but every 3 have the content personalized to them. That is a technology which Marketing Cloud provides. Everything is based on data. There are a lot of examples. The same thing you go and purchase on Amazon or Flipkart or whatever e-commerce website, you get invoices. Invoice format is same, color is same, scheme is same, but it will have your personal data and I will have my personal data. The data is dynamically changing. So email, SMS, push notifications are primary channel which you will be understanding in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. But how to work with data along with these channels, that is the primary focus of Salesforce Marketing Cloud content, which we will understand. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a very powerful platform, provides all aspects of data-driven marketing. Whatever a company requires to do a data-driven marketing is everything provided by Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So let's try to log into Salesforce Marketing Cloud and see how it looks. Let's try to log into Salesforce Marketing Cloud and see how it looks. The same platform you will be getting to practice.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Yeah, so as part of this training, will there be a real-time project that we will be doing?
Yeah, the first day of training, we will start a project invoice transaction. That is what I was explaining. Invoice transaction is a part of Salesforce Marketing Cloud thing, right? You have an e-commerce brand. You go and purchase data from website, you get email. Website is not sending email, it is a WordPress PHP website. But how you are getting email? There is a backend system. That backend system is Salesforce Marketing Cloud. We will understand how your website communicates with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. The next thing is, once the data came from the transactional data came from website to Marketing Cloud, now millions of transactions are happening. So every transactions are received per second, and all the transactions are billed in a form of invoice and are triggered to the relevant customer. How this functionality works? The invoice email is same with the same template, but how to capture that data, build a data-driven dynamic content which changes as per the customer's requirements, customer's transaction history, and is triggered to everybody, seems to be a very small example statement, but it's the entire Salesforce Marketing Cloud project, which we will study in 1 month. And apart from this, there are 2-3 ad hoc projects as well, which we will try to build, where we will have to establish integration of Salesforce Marketing Cloud with other Salesforce platforms like Sales and Service Cloud, and how to leverage a 360 power of CRM with sales, service, marketing combined. That is also a project we will see. Apart from this, a lot of discussions around the technology domain you would get, none other than me, because being have handled a lot of projects and working with best brands in not in India but in world. I can share that experience with you, which will make you really confident. If you are seeking for job in Marketing Cloud, just go through my lectures, and the confidence I will give you, the examples I will give you, you will be 100% able to clear. Just you need to ask relevant questions and work hard with me. So this is the Salesforce Marketing Cloud which you will get, which has different parts, like it has studios, it has builders, and it has AI as well. Yes, Einstein is there. So studios are email, mobile. In mobile, we have mobile connect and mobile push, that is SMS and push notifications. You will understand how Marketing Cloud is connected with Android and iOS applications, how Zomato is able to send the delivery updates. You order a product, you order something, then you immediately get a delivery person is assigned to you, has reached the location, has picked up your order is near your location, has delivered, then a feedback comes. This is the entire product order journey, which is nothing but a communication sent, but that communication is data driven. containing the customer information, containing the product customer information, customer's product information, restaurant information, delivery guy's information. But the journey is same for every customer. If I order that food from Hyderabad, I will also be coming into same journey. I will also receive push notification, SMS, emails of the same product updates, life cycle updates, but the data was changing. And concurrently, millions of transactions are happening. Millions of updates are sent. Very powerful, scalable solution. How Zomato has built, how Amazon has built that powerful, scalable solution that billions of transactions it is able to handle in 1 year and able to facilitate customers step by step about the progress in their delivery. Whenever you order some product from Amazon, your order is placed, your order is shipped, your order has reached this location, your order has reached nearest delivery location, then you get a push notification, your order is out of delivery, then it is delivered. It is a customer life cycle journey of ordering a product on Amazon, which is common to every customer, but the data is changing. So push notification, emails, SMS, all these three primary channels are only used. But how companies are using these channels for their customer dialogue, customer communication, whether it is transactional communication or promotional communication, how they are leveraging this system, which we will understand deeply in our training. We have Social Studio also, which is going to be deprecated. It would be removed from Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Then we have core pillars of marketing automation, which are Salesforce Marketing Cloud builders, like Analytics Builder for reporting. Journey Builder has automation and Journey Builder, which is 50% of your interview questions. Content Builder means how you develop data-driven dynamic content. Audience Builder, Contact Builder, because every data-driven marketing has data as the principle. And how to model that data, how to build a scalable distributed data model within Marketing Cloud so that you are able to make optimal utilization of that data is provided by Audience Builder. We have Einstein recommendations, web recommendations. Understanding this, you will understand how I searched a Levi's jeans and I didn't purchase, and next day I'm getting 50 Levi's jeans, Wrangler jeans, Lee jeans of same size, same color sent to me as a product recommendation. We have web recommendations where you will be able to understand that using these recommendations, how a platform is customized. Today you search certain products, tomorrow you go and you will find the same category of products ranking on your Amazon. On today you ordered certain cuisines from Zomato, tomorrow you open that app, you will be able to see that same type of cuisines and the restaurants are ranking. So how that recommendations are done using web recommendations, that is provided by this platform. And a lot of other things. This is a very powerful platform, a game changer, and it is a must to have for every company. There is no choice, because a company wants to succeed, they should have a strong marketing, because marketing brings the customers for them. They brings the interest. So there is no scope to neglect the best technology in marketing for these companies. So it is must to have platform. It is not, necessary, it is must to have.
Okay, so
guys, that was all.
Yes, so I have one question here that as you were recommended, as you said that there will be push notification, email notification, SMS notification.
Your voice
so
is
as
very
part of, so Marketing Cloud can interact with WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook as well?
No, that is Instagram, WhatsApp. What you will do, that we are not running any ads, right? Data-driven marketing is different thing.
No, just like in Zomato or in Swiggy, when we place an order, so we get the details about our order on WhatsApp as well. So
yeah, on WhatsApp you will get. WhatsApp is like this messaging platform. Instagram and Facebook you won't get. It is a different category of platform. It is social media.
Okay.
Yeah, WhatsApp you will get.
Okay. So as it is mentioned that there will be a social studio, so is it something like related to social media channels, or
yeah, it is related, but it is not the core architecture of Marketing Cloud. Okay. Neither there is any question on Social Studio. It is just visible here. but it is entirely a different platform which is not following Salesforce Marketing Cloud core architecture. Okay, neither in your certifications, neither in your interviews, this platform will be asked. It has a separate login just visible here, but it is not the core marketing cloud. And
It is a
also
different
does not,
environment also.
yeah, it has a different environment just visible here, but Salesforce has stopped selling this product. It is only for people who have already purchased it. If you get a new Salesforce account, this will not be available to sell by Salesforce. They will remove that. We have an old account, so we already have this.
Okay, and sir, as a fresher also, one can pursue this Salesforce Marketing Cloud training, or means only experienced Salesforce developer should go for Marketing Cloud training?
As a fresher,
Yes, as a fresher, I'm asking.
you see, Salesforce Marketing Cloud jobs. Okay. Every big company you will see hiring for Salesforce Marketing Cloud. But as a fresher, you cannot directly climb to TCS Infosys. A company smaller than TCS Infosys would have you definitely for this technology. And they will be happy if they find a certified person who is certified on Salesforce Marketing Cloud. But every company has this job opportunity. Okay, there is no concern that this ecosystem is having a great, reachability or not. Definitely, this is the very big technology and booming technology for freshers, because MNCs have their own hiring process from colleges and they don't hire skill based. They define their skills themselves, whether to put a fresher on AWS or Salesforce, that is their decision. But companies slightly though lower than multinational companies like TCS, not TCS Infosys, small companies, okay, not that small companies, they are multinational, just below multinational companies. You have only 10 to 15 multinationals, but 1,000, 2,000 medium scale companies, semi-medium scale companies, they will not ask you, they will just see your marketing cloud skill. There is your target market as a fresher.
Got it, got it.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, this is Krishna Kumar, sir. Sir, I have got experience in digital marketing. I have got 3 years of experience in digital marketing, and I have done my master's in marketing.
Yeah.
So one of my friend he is working in SFMC. So he has recommended me this course for upskilling myself for in technology base. So, so will it help me? Like I'm having a digital marketing knowledge, so that will it help me to cope up with the technology so that I can be proficient in this Salesforce the marketing
See,
cloud?
digital marketing is not a technology, to be honest.
Yeah,
It is not a skill. Means it is a skill, but it is not a technical skill.
yeah,
Running ads is not a technical thing. Doing
yeah,
SEO on page, off page is not a highly technical thing where engineers are involved. Okay. Or running a Google ad, Facebook ad campaign, posting manual, all these things of practices of digital marketing are not the core technical marketing things. But Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a technology. You can use a digital marketing, experience to understand more about the technical marketing domain.
Okay.
But your digital marketing knowledge won't be helpful here because you will be still a starter in this technology. Okay, you have to go through its core architecture. It is a data-driven dynamic technology where you have to understand the data architecture, database, relational data model, some parts of development. For development, you should understand how to write code, right? Bring data from website, bring data from website to your Salesforce Marketing Cloud is something happened in real time. You run Facebook ads, then you manually download and bring to CRM or wherever you want. But there should be an automated integration that Facebook ads are running and whatever database you are using, the data is coming in seconds. Right? That technology requires programming, requires technical engineering, software knowledge. So it would be a complete, new thing for you. But having that knowledge of digital marketing would enable creativity in your mind. Okay, I was only 20% of marketing I was knowing. There is a bigger ecosystem of 80% still unexplored. That is for you. But this knowledge will not help you get job, digital marketing in Salesforce Marketing Cloud.
No. What I'm asking is, because I want to learn technology, so that I'm planning to learn SFMC. But having knowledge in digital marketing, will it able me to understand things better?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can understand things better, but you would be still a fresher to this technology.
I'm okay with that. I'm not in. It's not an issue for me. Yeah. I want to learn upskill myself. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Please, guys, open your mic, ask questions. It is a nice discussion. Don't think it otherwise. My duty is to tell you a transparent thing. Whatever you are doing in your career is all good. There is always a scope for best. This platform would give you a lift to your career, where once you enter to this technology, you can see a 10, 15, 20 years of career. And just a starter, you will be getting into this technology, but there is a huge way. Try to see yourself as a marketing automation consultant of Flipkart. Try to project yourself as working somewhere for Nestle, 𝐸𝐿, L'Oreal, Adidas, Gap. They are core marketing automation team. They are very big brands, very big brands. They are not only running digital marketing ads, guys. They are having a strong nurture process. They understand you as a customer better than anybody else, better than your friend. Amazon understands you better than your friend, because whatever activity you have performed on Amazon every day is getting saved, is getting parameterized as a data. They understand what is your choice better than your friend. So this is a very huge ecosystem and very, very fulfilling technology. Whatever you learn from day one, you will be able to relate with companies you are already having app in your mobile. Different ways of marketing, because these companies are already adopting the ways of data-driven marketing. Just like you don't understand how that thing is achieved technically, once you start exploring this platform, you will be able to relate. Okay, this Ola, Uber is just giving a real-time update about my driver location. They are just sending automatically SMS whenever a driver has reached. You are enjoying that technology, but you never know how that is built, that you will understand using this platform. Any more questions, guys?
Sir, last question. So last question from my side. So is there any prerequisites required to learn Salesforce Marketing Cloud?
No prerequisite.
So just a fresher we can learn. Because to be honest, I don't have any program knowledge or computer based knowledge, because I'm an electrical.
I will guide you how to fulfill that gap, that void. See, guys, if you want to earn nice, if you want to get into technology, for people who are not associated with technology, some effort you have to put, right? You are transitioning your career to non-technical to a technical domain. And you should not avoid facing a challenge around development and coding. Or I will tell you only 3 weeks of learning few prerequisites of development part of Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud is 80% configuration. That doesn't require any prerequisite. But if you are not confident that 20% of Marketing Cloud development I will not be able to do, then 3 weeks of HTML, CSS, SQL, tutorials from YouTube or W3 School or whatever website I tell, only basics.
Understood.
Will help you succeed your career, will help you stand 10 steps ahead of your career.
Sure.
Just remove that fear. Okay.
Okay.
Get into this technology.
Thank you.
So I have one question. My name is Raj.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, in Trailhead, it's showing admin and developer and consultant. What is difference between these roles? Development in the sense you told that 80% is configurable. Okay,
Yeah.
so 20% is development. So what
Yeah.
kind of development we can build here?
Development are a lot of scopes and opportunities for development in Marketing Cloud. Suppose that is the same example you take. Here is Amazon and here is your Marketing Cloud. Data is purchased on Amazon and email is sent from Marketing Cloud. So now how both platforms communicate requires the knowledge of API, application programming interface, which is a development opportunity which you have to learn. The next thing is data is changing dynamically. Invoices are there. Okay. But whatever billions of people transacting at the same day, receiving their own individual data in the invoices requires a lot of dynamic content and personalization requirements, which is achieved by Marketing Cloud's AMP language, which is Marketing Cloud's proprietary development language. So AMP you have to learn, and you have to process a lot of data on this platform. It would be a relational database, and to work with a relational database, you require the knowledge of SQL. So you should be understanding basics of SQL as well. And last but not the least, once everything is configured, you have to send beautiful emails, SMS, push notifications, professionally designed. You would be required to understand basics of HTML, CSS. But don't get bothered. You all are entering as an entry level. All these things you have to learn in your first job. What you have to focus is to understand the technology and become interview ready and clear an interview. Interview is a play of only 20 questions. We will provide you 100 questions after teaching this platform. Out of 100 questions, you master those 100 questions, you will be easily able to give 20 interview questions and secure a job. Once a job is secured, your entire career, time, hard work will be required to deep dive into practical projects, client requirements, and make your career there on your own. Are you able to understand?
Yes, yes, understand.
Yeah.
The last question.
Yeah.
See, how difficult in TCS or Wipro, PwC,
Yeah.
Marketing Cloud job opportunity interview questions in terms of Marketing Cloud? They will ask a scenario-based questions, or what kind of
It
questions?
depends. I will tell you honestly, okay? It depends. If I take interview, then I will take A to Z. It depends on the mood of the interviewer. I also take interviews. A lot of people, everybody take interviews, right?
Yeah.
Now they will ask you as per their own knowledge and their own practical implementation experience. Okay, it is not at all difficult to crack any of such interviews. But if you have worked on all aspects of Marketing Cloud or have knowledge, you can clear any interview. The thing is, you should be having a knowledge. Now it depends how much experience your interviewer is. Suppose your interviewer has experienced 5-6 years of his career on email. He will more focus on email, and you have learned mobile push notification in best possible manner. Then there you will lack. Okay. Interviews are mostly scenario based. Big companies ask questions based on scenarios. When it is scenario based, they expect practical exposure. Okay. There you have to show and tell, this project I have worked, that project I have worked. You will be able to clear interview. So a uniform knowledge of Salesforce Marketing Cloud would help you crack any interview. But big companies ask scenario based interviews, so practical knowledge is also required, but it is not difficult to crack those interviews.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Any more
Hi.
questions?
Yes, I'm having one question.
Yeah.
Actually, I just want to know that I saw few people, sir, from non-technical background also. So it's
Yeah.
like just doubt, like there are people are from non-technical background are there, but then why the technical background people have to switch their career for Salesforce marketing?
See, there are two reasons. One is the technology they are working is not rewarding them with pay packages. In technology, you have thousands of technology. When I was in college, I used to learn Java, PHP, SQL. Then later, when I moved out of college, then I used Angular, JS, Node, and other related technologies. And then I saw AWS, Azure, Microsoft, Salesforce, a lot of things. But when you compare how much a Java engineer earns, how much a database engineer earns, and how much a Salesforce engineer earns, there is at least 60% gap. So people already working in technical domain want to make a big switch to their to their career learning Salesforce, because everybody works for money. You earn 50,000, you have an opportunity to earn 1 lakh in Salesforce with same experience. Why you won't go and upgrade yourself? So that is why people working in technology already try to switch their career to Salesforce Marketing Cloud because of pay packages and fulfilling and surplus job opportunities and on-site foreign opportunities they may get. The second thing is somebody is already working in Salesforce. Somebody is working on Sales Service Cloud, admin and development, but somehow their company got a marketing cloud project and they have insisted that person that you also take this work. So now due to their knowledge gap, they come and take training on marketing cloud.
Okay, thank you. One more thing is like, see, the people who are working on different technical, like different technology, and they will be having some 6 or 7 years of experience, and suddenly they switch their career to the Salesforce. So
Yeah.
how they can manage, like how
Yeah,
they
so
can
you
balance
have
these
to
all the
work with us to understand projects. You understand
Okay.
2-3 projects. Last 2-3 years of experience, you show the same company, which is genuine, but you change the work you have done in your resume.
Okay.
That 7 years of experience, last 3 years, I was working with Marketing Cloud. These projects I built. And whatever cross question you get from these projects, which you have mentioned, you prepare it well.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Hi, I have a question.
Yeah, hi.
Uh, just wanted to understand, like, since this is very, a lot of people are getting into Salesforce these days, being from
Yeah.
the not technical background or being from the technical background, having certain experiences and all, right? So, don't you think that there will be some time, maybe near future, where there will be a lot of resources in Salesforce, and there will be uh, competition, or there will be then lack of requirements or something like that?
Just wait. Just give me a minute. I'll show you with an example.
Sure.
See, this is the Forbes published image of Salesforce. Where it gone?
Okay.
One minute. This is the Forbes published image on Salesforce growth. As you told, in 2019, they had a revenue around $13 billion. Okay.
Okay.
They grew. Then ecosystem also grew. Demands also grew. Now they are here $21 billion just in 3-4 years. They grew. Demand also grew. Okay. Why they are growing? Demand is growing. If demand is growing, they are growing, then they require technical engineers. Then more and more people are coming to ecosystem. Okay. Once the demand stops growing, then there will be an impact. But why the demand will stop growing in marketing? Has it stopped any time in previous 50 years? Until and unless there is a competitor of Salesforce making aggressive growth than Salesforce, providing a very innovative solution than Salesforce Marketing Cloud comes into picture, Salesforce will not stop growing. And as it will not stop growing, demands will also not stop coming down. Marketing is a very evergreen ecosystem. Every time you see in a company, if I do some more marketing, we may increase our revenue. If whatever revenue Amazon is earning, you feel that if they double their marketing efforts, they will generate more revenue. So it is directly proportional to a company's business. Marketing will never stop. Salesforce will only drop once a competitor takes its edge. There is no company having annual revenue of $23 billion in SaaS products. If there is no company, then Salesforce will not stop. Okay. Once somebody has guts, somebody can compete Salesforce. Okay, someday some entrepreneur born like Elon Musk and he started to compete Salesforce with his own products. Then you will see that Salesforce has stopped growing. But what is the conclusion with this? You can easily switch to that product because you are already a marketing consultant. You already have worked technology, whatever it be. Domain is same, right? You spent 20 years of career working on 3 different technologies. Similarly, competitor of Salesforce is Adobe. Suppose your company told work on Adobe, you will be easily able to work on Adobe because marketing concepts you already know. What else they do in marketing? They also send push notification from Adobe. They also send email, SMS. What is the new innovative way they have got? Nothing. So my conclusion is Salesforce has tremendous growth opportunity due to its innovation and brand value. Salesforce is growing. Customer demands are growing. Customers are looking to Salesforce. And as more and more customers are getting acquired by Salesforce, ecosystem is expanding. Engineers are also required. They are coming in. Once a competitor of Salesforce will come and challenge Salesforce, then you feel that demand will stop, growth will stop or decline. Then you switch to that competitor because marketing will never stop. It never stopped in past 500 years. It will not stop in next 500 years.
Okay.
So understand domain first. Technology can change.
Right.
The same happens with developers. A person is a developer. He studied C language in college, C++. With that knowledge, he is able to work on Python, AngularJS, and a lot of big technologies. Now, tomorrow, the new technology comes. It takes only 2 months for him to adopt the new technology. But concept is not going to change.
Right. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for answering. And one more question, like, so how much practice we will be able to do, because this is a paid tool, correct? So
People get free of cost for 3 months. Practice 100%, 24/7. You can get it extended as well, free of cost.
okay, but in the live projects, obviously the work will be different, right?
No, how it would be different? Is Marketing Cloud going to change on live projects? Will this email studio be called another thing in live project? No, right? Work will change, requirement will change, but tools are the same, right? Now you have a screwdriver of 10 rupees or 1500 rupees. Okay, both work the same way, the same thing. Marketing Cloud will not change. Requirement will change. Some client will tell you develop email, other will tell you SMS, other will tell you go and build journey. But where you will build? Here only, right? Using all these tools.
Right.
So if you know these tools, you know every requirement, how to accomplish that. So everything is a live only. This is not a coding language that you run a calculator program and you might get to develop an enterprise software when you go to company. This is a platform which is from day one live. Email, whatever options are available, that will not change when you get a client project. Now you have to design a solution after you have learned this platform, which capability of Marketing Cloud you can use to fulfill your client requirement. But the capability would remain same throughout. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions, guys?
So, sir, I have a question. As we discussed about these different functionalities, like sending the push messages,
Your voice is
and
not audible.
yeah, am I audible now, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah. So as we discussed that through Marketing Cloud, we will be able to send the email notifications and push notifications to the end user. And as you mentioned that all the e-commerce giants like Amazon, Flipkart, or other companies, they all use, I think, the same tool, right? So in market to develop these push notification related functionality or email notification related functionality.
Yeah, but you don't have to see like this. There are other platforms as well.
Yeah.
But
So
is
that's what I
Marketo getting utilized in Google? If Google has to buy a product for his own work, what Google will buy? Best in class platform, right?
Right.
Which company is having $22 billion as revenue? Salesforce, not Marketo. So if they are having this revenue, they have bigger customer database, a bigger opportunity than Marketo. Tomorrow you are a software engineer, you can also build the same platform. But will you be able to get those customer base? No. You have to see where the demand is more. You can learn Marketo. You can settle down with a salary of 70, 80,000. But the same work, if you are working with Salesforce, you have huge client database and the salary packages are double, tripled. So what decision you will make? Marketo or Marketing Cloud?
Yeah. So
Adobe.
So I was just trying to understand that what are the other products available to deliver the same functionality. So
Yeah, products are many. Even you can't have it on your hand. But which one you have to go? Which product best companies are using? Which technology is best adoptable? Which will give you a safe career? Okay, which will give you tremendous opportunities. Based on that, you have to take decision. No, this is not working like a Salesforce dev console. It is a different platform altogether. No sandbox is available. This is not free. This is not working on force.com architecture. Don't confuse it with Salesforce. This architecture is not built on force.com. So no principles of force.com applicable in Marketing Cloud. It is not at all linked.
Okay, how we are going to do the deployments?
Deployment, for that deployment, we have package manager.
Package manager in build? Acha.
There is no sandbox. Okay, here you will get business units, which is not a different account. It is a parent child business units you will get. So child business unit, you can consider it as a sandbox. And parent business unit, you can consider it at a production. In child business unit, you migrate through package manager to production.
Okay, if we don't
Different
have a
architecture.
web console like our normal Salesforce, how we are coding? What kind of coding included in this?
The code is 𝐴𝐴M which is a Marketing Cloud proprietary language.
Uh-huh.
𝐴𝐴M is there. So this we will study. Yeah. SQL would be there. See, similar to
So,
SOQL and SOSL.
script, how much difficult it is? It's related
Very
to
easy.
JavaScript.
Very easy.
Okay.
Nothing is difficult.
So
Just understand how I am teaching, that you practice. Next day you will come up with your own knowledge on 𝐴𝐴M.
Okay, it's related to JavaScript or
JavaScript,
prerequisites
it is
for
a
that.
type of JavaScript only, but
Okay.
the the way to write 𝐴𝐴M is a bit different than JavaScript, but it is as easy as JavaScript.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, syntax are different.
Hey, this is Anil. Would you be integrating Sales or Service
Yeah,
Cloud
yeah.
to pull the leads?
Sales
Or
Service Cloud. There is a topic called Marketing Cloud Connect, which we will study, which will integrate sales service objects to Marketing Cloud. And whatever data you have in Salesforce will come to Marketing Cloud for marketing purpose. That topic we definitely have.
I
okay,
have one more
thanks.
to check. Like, what is the difference between marketing cloud and distributed marketing in sales?
Marketing Cloud is
Distributed marketing.
distributed or digital?
Distributed marketing cloud is there, right?
Distributed marketing is is the capability of Marketing Cloud. Distributing
One of the
marketing
capability.
means
I'm saying it as one of the capabilities.
what is distributed marketing? Marketing distributed across channels. Predict the best channel which you have to reach your customer. Suppose your customer is using a mobile phone. Okay. Now it is best time to send a push notification. You send email, he will not see.
So
If you,
you are saying like distributed marketing is nothing but journey builders, right?
yeah, marketing, it is not a feature, it is a concept which is achieved through Marketing Cloud.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Any more questions, guys? Hello. Okay, guys, then hopefully we will see when to start the session after your enrollments. Looking for maximum participation. The tutorial would be very interesting. If you are adamant to learn Salesforce Marketing Cloud, I would be the best person. Decision lies on you. I tried my best to give the best possible demo. And still, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn or contact svtechsoft. How much CTC we can expect? CTC you can expect based on your capabilities. If you are fresher, you can expect around 3 to 5 lakh rupees. If you are experienced, you can expect 50-70% hike on your current CTC. But if you are experienced 3 years in Marketing Cloud, you can expect 4 into number of experience you have. If you have 3 years of experience on Marketing Cloud, you can expect around 12 lakh rupees. 3 years should be core Marketing Cloud experience, not fake. But potential is never low in Marketing Cloud. You can earn handsome amount of money showing the best in class knowledge. And batch will start at 7 p.m. IST, maybe from Thursday or Monday. Please confirm with the team and we'll meet with a fresh mood. Thanks, guys. Have a lovely day. Bye.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
everyone.
Bye.
Thanks for joining for today's
you.
session. Yeah. Just tell me sorry. Yeah, you can now say. Yeah, someone is trying to speak.
Yeah, hi, Piyush this side. So is it possible that can we have this training from Monday?
Yeah. Monday. You
Yeah,
tell
sure.
the perfect
Okay.
time. We will.
Just I will discuss. That's it. I will be come up with plan. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, if you want to enroll the session, please contact svtechsoft. Even I already sent you WhatsApp message. Even okay, I messaged you in this chart, Zoom chart. Okay, you can check if you have any clarifications or need anything. You can contact the svtechsoft. Yeah, guys, do you have any further questions? If you all are good, then we can end up for today's session. We will be meet up with our regular batch. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for your time. Thanks, Asit.
Thanks, guys. Bye.